Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You ever play drums?
Like last year.
Last year, okay. Actually, let's get into who everybody is in the class. Because we want you guys to be able to talk to each other. Exactly. We want everybody getting up to get to know each other. So, Isaiah, we're going to need you to be quiet, okay? All right? When I ask you to talk, you can talk, okay?
No, I think the way.
So, excuse me, young lady, what's your name?
Sabrina.
Sabrina. Okay, this is the thing. We have a rule in here. You can't talk unless I ask you a question. Okay? All right? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to introduce everybody. Say your name, how old you are, and why you like drums. We're going to start over here. What's your name? How old are you? And why do you like drums?
Max, 11, and I can make beats.
You can make beats. That's good. So you're already doing the drum thing. Okay. Your name.
Sherman, I'm 11 years old. I like drums because they're a good part of the music.
A good part of music. What part of music are drums?
Me.
Not yet.
I don't know.
You don't know yet?
No.
Okay, well that's why we're here. We're here to learn, okay?
You can sit down now.
What was CJ?
Max.
Matt?
Max.
Speak up.
It's Max.
Max. I'm deaf, so you guys don't have to speak up, okay?
That's my dad.
More.
Young lady right here.
Anissa.
Anissa.
Hi, CJ.
How old are you, Anissa?
15.
15. Why do you like drums?
I don't know.
You don't know? Something about drums is just intriguing to you. That's good. That's how I first started. Something within drums just drew me to the drum.
Sabrina.
How old are you, Sabrina?
8.
You're 8 years old. Okay, well, why do you like drums, Sabrina?
I like drums because you get to beat them.
Because you get to beat them? You get to release some of your frustrations and feel good about hitting stuff without getting in trouble? Very, very good point. Young lady right here.
Gianni.
Gianni, how do we spell that?
Gianni.
And how old are you, Gianni?
7.
7. And why do you like drums? No, you don't know? You just here checking things out right now? We'll come back. Young lady behind her.
Zia.
Zia, how do you spell that? Zia?
Z-E-apostrophe-A.
Z-E-apostrophe A. And how old are you, Zia?
10.
10. Why do you like drums?
I don't know, I just like the noise.
You like noise? You guys are saying all the stuff I said when I was growing up and that drew me to the drums. That's why this is pretty cool right now. So, young man right here, plaid. Your name?
I like 5 years old. I like drums and I like the beat.
You like the beat. I didn't get your name. What's your
Marquise.
Marquise.
Where's Reese?
And you said you're 5? Cool age to start drums.
My name is Zayshawn. I'm 6 years old.
Zayshawn, let me. Look how you spell your name, Zayshawn.
Z-A-Y-S-A-W.
Uh-huh.
Apostrophe.
Uh-huh.
S-H-A-W.
All right. How old are you, Zayshawn?
6.
6 years old. And why do you like drums?
Because you can make a beat and make your own beats.
That's a good one. Mr. Isaiah. Mr. Isaiah, can you tell the class what your name is? Introduce yourself. How old are you?
5.
No, I don't need your hands. I need you to talk. Okay. And why do you like drums?
Because it's my favorite.
It's your favorite? Better than bass, better than piano? Better than singing? Good man.
Kind of.
Keon.
You call him Bubba.
Is that Keon? And how old are you, Keon? 4.
I'm sure.
And why do you like drums?
Cassie's 4. Because they're awesome.
They're awesome. Yes, they are. Young man in the back. Name?
TJ.
CJ. And how old are you, CJ?
5.
5.
How many are you, CJ?
Mr. Jordan. How old are you, sir?
5.
Who?
It's not 3, it's 5. It's supposed to be
You're 3.
You put like, it's like 10.
Okay. And why do you like drums, Mr. Jordan?
Because they're kind of different.
Because they're what?
They're different.
They're different.
They're tight.
They're tight. Man, right on, man. I feel you on so many levels right now. They are tight. They are different. There's nothing like a drum.
Yeah, and just like guitars.
Yeah, they are different too. Yeah. Your name, my man.
Davion.
You said
Davion.
Davion. How you spell that, Davion?
D-A-V-I-O-N.
D-A-V-I-O-N. Okay. And how old are you, Davion?
8.
You're 8 years old. Why do you like drums? You don't know? Have you ever played drums? Yeah. Just something about them you like them? That's cool, man. I can dig it. Your name, man?
Brendan.
I'm right behind you. Hold on one second.
My name's Jay.
Jay? J-A-Y?
Yeah,
And how old are you, Jay?
13.
13. And why do you like drums?
I just like the way they sound.
Like the way they sound? Have you ever played before?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. You played in church before? No? Okay. This might be your first time to get to play in church, man. You up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Okay. You right here.
Brendan.
What's that?
Brendan.
Brendan? With the E? Okay. How old are you, Brendan?
4.
You're 4 years old.
I got that.
You
My
young
name
man.
is Jamari.
Jamari. Huh?
Jamari.
Jamari. Is that J-A-M-A-R-Y?
Yeah.
Okay. And how old are you, Jamari?
7.
You're 7 years old. What do you like about drums?
It's because I like the sound of it.
You like the sound of drums? Okay. Your name again? Christopher. And Christopher, how old are you?
9.
You're 9? What do you like about drums?
I just like the sound.
You like the sound? Okay. Young lady?
My name is Jordan.
Jordan. Okay. And how old are you, Jordan?
9.
You're 9. And why do you like drums?
I like it because they have a strong beat.
They like a strong beat? Okay. Your name again, sir?
Mars.
Tamars. How do you spell that, Tamars?
T-E-M-A-R-R-U-S.
And how old are you, Tamars?
7.
7. Okay. And why do you like to play drums? Because it's what? It's cool. Have you ever played drums before? Played in church before? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You have?
But not like when people sing.
Okay. Well, like at choir rehearsal or something like that? Or?
Yeah, sometimes, but like at the end of church is over.
Okay. That's a good way to start. That's the way I started. Okay. So,